Hey my loves, let's get right into this video. I opened my boxes already because I wanted to make sure the stuff was inside that was inside. Okay, so I got some stampers and stamper scrapers from Macart. I needed some badly, and these were the cheapest one I could find at the time on Amazon. I'll leave the link below for you guys as well in the description box so you guys know where to get them. Okay, so here is the stamper and the stamper scraper. I really love the stamper scraper. Got some butterflies and some pretty designs in it. And it looked like you could I don't know. It looked like you could do the same thing with a stamping plate on it because it's kind of engraved. And this is a pretty stamper. It's shaped like a triangle and it absolutely fits nicely on your hand, as you can see. My nails are like a medium length. They're not that long. Well, they are to me, but other people are probably really short. Okay, so you get 4 in a pack, you guys, and I got it for, I want to say $9.99 or $12.99. It's one of the two. So right here I got some more stuff from the Big Bang, Beauty Big Bang. Let's see what we got, you guys. Okay, we got some stamping plates, and it comes with 4. I'm doing a collab, so I wanted to get these out because I had no flowers. So let's open this first one. It's very, very pretty. And this one is XL097. I love it a lot. It got some beautiful designs in there. In the middle is a lady inside a window, and she got a lot of flowers and leaves around her, it looks like. And this one is XL096. It tells you on the back, I guess how to do reverse art, reverse stamping. So this one, I love this one. This one's bomb. I love this one a lot. I know it's the heart and the big lips and the pretty flowers and the different designs. It's kind of scratched up, as you can see, so I don't know if someone used it before or not. I thought it was just the top, but when I took it off, the scratches were also on there. And it got some pretty hearts, and it got a word on there. I'm not really sure what it says at all. I don't know if it says boo. Sorry. This is XL0 something. We'll figure it out together. Okay, so this is the only one that came with a thank you card, and the stamping plate was still wrapped up. So I don't really know. Like, was this like not used at all and the other ones were sent back before? I don't know, you guys, but this one's sealed up pretty good. So this design, I forgot what it's called, but you can find them on YouTube and stuff. It teaches you how to draw these things. They're very simple. I thought it was hard, but it's actually not. You just draw the outline of something that you're doing, and it's hard to explain. It's gotta show you, you know? Some things just better to show. So this one is XL098. Yep. I like this one too. Got some mushrooms, got butterflies, got a bee on it. I got some cactuses, some leaves. It's like outdoors. You got a little squirrel in it. So cute right there. See? Haha. So cute. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'm about to pause it real quick so you guys can see the lady on there if you can't really see her. It's going to point out for you guys. Yep, right there. You see her? There she go. Like she's in a window. Okay, so I got some more stuff for you guys. So this is from Beetles Gel Polish. I really like it a lot. I needed some more. I need some brushes, like some art brushes. I really did. Super excited. I should have added that to my giveaway. Maybe I'll do it for the one on YouTube. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so these things were hard to open. They were like really tight. Like that mini box was really tight. And look at the colors, you guys. They're so pretty. It got the little rhinestones and stuff inside. So I'm gonna show you guys the sizes of the brushes. That one's pretty thin. I can't wait to use these. Actually, I did already. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. I'm testing out the stuff. Okay, so this blue one was really hard to open. This light blue. So that one is a little bit bigger, a little longer, a little thicker. Let's try this black one right now, you guys. So the black one is a little longer. It's pretty long. It's not the longest. I think the gold one is the longest, and for some reason the pink one, that clip got cut out. I don't know how, but it did. But that's the smallest one. It's smaller than that. So the black one's the biggest one. Alright, so let's open this other box, you guys. Let's see what's inside. Yes, I needed this, you guys. It's an organizer. I'll put everything up in the description box as well. I needed it too. I want to put my rhinestones in there, my gems, crystals and stuff. So I can be able to get to them all instead of trying to figure out what's what. And the bottom one I'm going to use for the females. I might give some of those away too for a giveaway. A little bitty giveaways because they're so small and I can just put it in the mailbox. Because I ain't going to the post office. I'm sorry. It's just not happening. I love you guys, but no, I'm not doing it. I can't. Can't. Nope. No sorry, Bob. So those are able to come out, you guys. I kind of wish they were separated, but they're two each, so but it's whatever. So right here's the females. I got a whole bunch. I had these for a while. I just wanted to show you guys. I had them for like a month now. I haven't used them at all. I got so many. So I'm gonna show some pictures, you guys. There's a whole bunch of these. There's 30 different kind of fruits and stuff in there. Like, it makes no dang sense to me. But yeah. Okay, so we're gonna test this out real quick. This is what I chose. I chose this stamping plate. And right here I'm trying to choose. Oh, there I go. I'm trying to choose which one I want to do. I'm not really sure yet. So yeah, it's between the flowers, and I'm thinking about not that one. I wanted to do that one, but I tried that one. I should have done something easier, but it is what it is. So I grabbed the two first stamping polishes I seen. I just grabbed them. I haven't swatched these yet, so it's my first time washing together. I've put the wrong one on. I wanted to use the brown one first, but it is what it is. Okay, so this stamper works really good. It came up instantly. I had some stuff on the side, so I decided to grab some tape to get that up. After I did that, we are going to apply the brown. I should use a dotting tool. I didn't think about that. I don't know why. It's my first time doing it, so I wanted to practice. So I decided to use the Beetles, one of their brushes. That's probably why I did this, to try it out. So I'm being very meticulous in how I'm placing it because I don't know what I'm doing. I've seen so many videos, but it's like I can't remember at the moment, so I just try to do the best. And I think towards the end I start messing up. Okay, so you want to cover the whole flower. Not the whole flower, but just the inside part where you want the color to show up at. After you do that, you just gotta let it sit there and air dry because it's like regular polish. I think I might apply too much. It looked like chocolate to me. Okay, so I'm looking inside, trying to see if it's ready to go. Wish me luck, you guys. I was kind of scared. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Ooh, so cute. I'll let you guys know this won't last for long. I'm just FYI, I'm just letting it be known. So I was like, it's clear. It needs some kind of background, right? So I flipped the nail over and it was still wet and I forgot. So I flipped it over and the brown kind of came up and messed up. So I just used the purple color. And right now I'm applying just a regular old top coat. It's not no gel top coat. It's a regular old top coat. So right here I didn't have enough top coat, so it starts smearing. As you can see right there, the blue starts smearing. But yeah, this top coat is fast dry. It's supposed to dry like in 90 seconds, I think. And it's from Sinful Colors. When you put it on, you guys, it dries really fast. And it's super thick. Like, it's thick like gel polish. But just imagine using gel polish like that thick, but it dries. So, it's not the easiest thing to work with. It's a learning curve. So you see how shiny it is, you guys? Bomb, right?
That might make it look so good. I can't believe I'm watching this shit, bro. What the fuck was that? Bro, we gotta go back. Hold on. Stop, nigga, bro. This is, bro, the back.
This is my special videos.
So y'all out there, it's your boy, Doug. It's your boy, SHABOA. It's your boy, that's not the word for it. I'm like, what the fuck? Bro, what did this nigga just say, bro? I don't know what the fuck. We gotta go back, bro. Why did you turn off the camera so fucking aggressively, bro? You know what this is? And why did you turn off the camera?
Okay, you guys, I had to come back and show you what I filled up so far. This right here, these are the Fimos. And when I tell you I barely got through it, I'm just up to here, you guys. So I'm gonna take a break. This has been 2 days so far. So basically, I'm going to, I ain't gonna tell you. You just have to wait and see. So let's get to the other one. You gotta be careful because the stuff actually, it can go through. If you see, let me see. You see right there? You see how that went through to the other side? And that is what happened. Hold up. One of these are red. So that gotta make another section and everything is full, as you can see. So there's a lot of fruit in here. Each one is 6. So there's like 30 something in here. So let's get to the other one that I filled up. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want my stuff mixing up. And I'll be a sad girl. Okay. These things are a little hard to open, but they do have other ones on Amazon. But I will leave the link below. These are so pretty. Okay, so I got these 5 right here from AliExpress. These are from AliExpress. This is Nicole Diary. Yeah, Nicole Diary. I think these are Nicole Diary too. These 3 right here. This is from the Nail Supply Glamour store. This was Fran Mail. These are Swarovskis, and this was the Shimmer Effect. These are from Amazon. These little micro ones. These are from the Nail Candy Shop. I really like these because of the backing. Let me show you. See? There's a good backing. These right here, they're pretty shiny, I think, you guys. And these are from AliExpress. And these are from AliExpress as well. The light's not really giving no justice, but these things are really sparkly. They look like Swarovskis if you pass for it. These are from Amazon. I love those too. This is from the Nail Supply Glamour. These are glow in the dark. These are from the Nail Supply Glamour too. And these are both Swarovskis. And the one's AB Crystal. I couldn't tell you the sizes, but yeah. I got a lot in here, you guys. I fit all my stuff. I fit all my jewels in here. But yeah, let me show these real quick. I like these. These are from AliExpress. They're like change. All you gotta do is break them apart. Do what you want with them. I did a video for this as well, if you guys don't remember. If not, I will put it up so you can watch. It's a haul. I just never actually took it out so you guys can see what they look like. So here you go. I like these a lot. And here's the last one. So it looked like basically, you know, this ain't real gold. I don't believe it is because it's from AliExpress. And these two. But yeah, I got more stuff. I got more stuff like this, more jewels and other spots. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you in my next one.